What's good, y'all? This your boy Chris, and I'm back at it again with another banger video for you guys. Before we get this video started, make sure you hit that like button, make sure you hit that subscribe button. If you're new, join the Chris Squad, Dream Squad. You already know what it is. Join the Dream Squad, man. Hit that subscribe button. But also, if y'all don't know, I got two other channels that's banging, bro. If you're into like the family vlogs, I got We Are the Welches linked down below in the description. Go subscribe to We Are the Welches. It's me, my wife, and the kids. You feel me? Check that channel out. Also, if you're into cars and motorcycles, I got Motoloso. I got viral videos on that. Go check out Motoloso. On this channel, I'm moving in more towards like the reviews and open boxings and things like that. Let me know if y'all feeling that. So comment down below if y'all like the tech reviews or the open boxes, or y'all want to see the vlogs again. Y'all want to see some lit vlogs from Chris? Let me know. But today, y'all already see it. We unboxing this CARDO PACKTALK. I got my helmet. I do my vlogs in this helmet. I need to get another helmet, to be honest. But this is the helmet we're going to be mounting to. But today, I'm really going to focus on unboxing this bad boy. So let's get to it. The reason I bought the CARDO, besides that I was recommended by my pops, you know, when I'm riding my motorcycle, I tried to listen with my AirPods, but even though they stay in my ear with my AirPods, you know, after a while riding, I usually ride for like an hour or two, or maybe even a little longer. They end up starting to hurt my ears, and sometimes they do end up falling out, and thankfully I haven't lost it yet. But so I wanted to get the proper equipment to listen to my music and just have phone conversation, being able to answer my phones. And I definitely ride with other riders, so being able to communicate with other riders. And I chose this particular brand because of their JBL speakers, the fact that they can mesh with the pack. It can have up to 5 to 12, I believe, riders connected to this. And if you're in a pack with 5 or more riders, you can talk for about 5 miles. We'll verify that when I end up starting to use it. But I like all the commands. It has like a lot of cool features on this that I've read up about and watched a couple videos. So you know, some of it is here. Oh, and you already know we in Washington, so it being waterproof is a big plus. And you know, all the voice commands, and this is cool, and battery life here. So let's get this thing open. All right, so this is it. All right, so this is it. So wow, so this is it. The first thing you see in the box, you see the good on the motorcycle with the CARDO on it, and it's just right here. Seems pretty lit. Seems cool. Seems like it's good quality plastic on here. Good quality, not no cheap plastic that feels like it's gonna fall apart. Definitely see all the compartments are closed. Little antenna here. Let's see what else you get in the box. Little CARDO sticker. Goodies. You got some goodies. I don't think anything else is in here. Let's see. They give you some looks like they give you some stuff to mount. So you get the charger. Here is one of the headphones. There's one headphone. Stuff to clean it. Not sure what that is. This helps it stick. The little Velcro that helps it stick into your helmet. The side mount for your helmet. The mic. Here's the mic. And this helps you mount it to your helmet. So that's what it all comes with. Let's see how easy it is to mount it, and then that's pretty much all we got. Alright, so I got everything set up. I decided to mount the CARDO Pack 4 on this side, the left side of my helmet. I didn't show y'all how I did my wire management because it looks crazy in there, because I got my moto vlogging set up. I had to switch that to the right side, and I set up everything for my CARDO on the left side. So it's just a lot of wire management needs to be done. I need to clean up this side a lot more, so that's not done. And you know, I didn't want to give y'all anxiety and have y'all roasting me in the comments. But a couple things I noticed while setting this up was you have to download the CARDO app to your phone. That helps connect it to your phone. Not sure if you have to have the app, but when I set it up, I used the app to set it up. So that connected to my phone through Bluetooth, and you know, you got a lot of different functions. It's like you can see all the utilities for the CARDO on there. Let me know down below if y'all want to see me do a deep dive on the app, give my feedback if I think it's functional or not. Let me know if y'all want to see that. But I have that on my phone. I think that was pretty neat that they include an app for the device. I thought that was pretty neat. Also, I've noticed that, you know, I did a little test call. My wife, she said it sounds pretty clear when I called her, so the mic works good. I ended up using the modular mic instead of the other one. I figured it's the closer to my mouth, the better the sound would be. So I used that one, and I tested out the headphones. They're loud. They're JBL. I'm digging it. I'm digging it for sure. So I'll give y'all a review after you know, it's not riding season out here, so you know, it's been raining a lot. I'm in Washington, so when I get a chance to ride for a lot of consistent days and really get to break in these headphones, I will give y'all a review on how I feel the quality of the headphones and the CARDO. Is it easy to use? Meet up with some of my buddies, connect with them, see how the Pack Talk works, and if I really like it. If you have some of these products, put it down below. Let me know if it's something else y'all want to see me do a review on. Comment down below, let me know. And it's your boy Chris, and I'm out.